Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to add quantity button on Wix. So if you have a e-commerce website, obviously you would need to tell your audience or your customers to show how much quantity you have for your own website for the product. So what you can do, just go to your site. I'm just going with this one. On the left side of the menu, you will see store products. Hover over it and you will see products over here. Click on this option. You will end up over here and these are the products which I have on my website. Obviously, these are pre-templates and I'm going with the random one over here. Let's say I want to add the quantity for this one. So I'm just going to click on this one and scroll down until you see product options. As you can see, this is a product options over here. Click on this. Here you are going to name anything over here. So I'm just gonna name obviously quantity and enter the quantity, how much quantity you have. So I'm going with the 20. And once you do that, just click on add and you will see that we have added that obviously over here. But obviously you can edit this option later on also. And you can just click on this option to change some products options over here also. And that's it. This is all you need to know how to add quantity button on Wix. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.